Welcome to my third part of the Finland vlog. I'm going to be going to Sweden on a cruise ship, Stockholm to be exact. So let me show you the boat. I can see it right now, it's looking great. Look how big it is, massive. This is only like, not even half of it, there's more down there. Got me feeling like I'm in Titanic. He just going in. So yes, I'm inside. Look at this. It looks mad. Feels like I'm in a shopping centre, but no, I'm on a boat. Mad. Somali pirate style, but it's looking luxurious. So stressed. I'm not gonna get involved. I'm just gonna let them find a place. And then, yeah. What's this music? Let's check what this music is. Hey, what's this? So mad. Look at this. On stage and that. There's Helsinki. Goodbye Helsinki. Be in Stockholm soon. That's gonna be aliveness. Look at the views. Look at the views. Let's wave goodbye. Wave as well. Wave as well. Wave goodbye to Helsinki. See you soon. Bye bye. We spotted some Somali pirates. They might come and rob us, you know. Captain Phillips, you get me? Look at my boots. I'm the captain now, you get me? I'm the captain. No, there's two people here. Let's see if they wave back. Let's see if they wave back. Come on, wave back. Wave back. Yay! They're waving, look. Everyone's waving. Hey. Lovely day, eh? Yeah, I was just about to head back to my cabin and look what I see. That looks mad. Now I'm off with my mum to head to the restaurant, get that quick buffet. I think I've got like 1 minute. What? How long? Yeah, we're kind of late. Let's run. I don't want to be late, mums. Do a jump.
I want some food, blood. Yo. Yo. Food. Man, my belly's hurting me, man. Food. I'm hungry. I want some food. I'm hungry and I want some flipping food.
Oh my god. Just left the buffet. I am stuffed. Stomach so full. Oh my days. Look what I bumped into. Let me switch the camera. What's this, mate?
Svenki vänster. Svenki höger.
Ja perämies käskee, taputtakaa. Ai, kapteenia vain kotellaan. Ja perämiestä ei milloinkaan. No niin, ihan hyvä alku. Mennään eteenpäin.
Yeah, so we're on the top floor. Karaoke here. I don't know if you can hear me, but it's so loud. So my sister and the rest of the family have put my name up to do karaoke. So I'm going to be singing a few songs. YOLO, it's all mad. I think I'm coming up soon, I don't know, but it's going to be mad. I'll see how it goes. I got a Glock in my Rari. 17 shots, no 38. I got a Glock in my Rari. 17 shots, no 38. If she's mine, I know she'll be mine. Across the press, rewind the feeling. One more time, and I got this soda. Ready boys, they know us. No fast money, no slow up. They look and no show us. Yes, yes, yes.
Thank you very much. Then we have travelers Valentina and
How did I do though? It's calm, innit? Call me Remy Boy.
Remy Boy Nas. Remy Boy Nas.
New signing. Had the crowd going nuts. Did you hear that? Had the crowd clapping and that. Wait for round 2 innit? I'm gonna get another tune. We got another one coming through. So just watch it. Look out for it, yeah? Shut down.
thank you very much.
Show them. So I'm gonna do, put this game in, and I'm gonna see how many points he gets, and then if I beat him, that means he went to army in Finland for 6 months for no reason. Because I haven't been army, so if I beat him, that means he was a useless soldier. So army boy on here. Look at the way he's standing. Full army style. Jeez, let's see if I can beat him though, innit? Jeez, reload. Right, I'm getting nervous now, I'm getting nervous. I lost. Well, you lost? Haha! Haha! Alright, so is it my turn, yeah? Alright, cool, now it's my turn. Let me see if I can beat my brother, the army boy. He thinks he's got the techniques here. I'll show him myself, mate, with the AK-47. Nash! Say hello to my little friend. What's dead in there, fam? What? Man, I get shot down. You feel me? I got the leg out. It's easy, man. What?
Dead.
Somalia warrior with the AK-47. Who won then? Did I get more kills than you? You got further, I don't even know. How many kills did you get? I don't remember. I won in it. It wasn't say we won, say I won in it. That's obviously...
You died before me.
Nah. We'll watch the video back when we edit it. We'll see who won. So you feel me? Let's go to the next game. Alright, so I just woke up and I think we're in Stockholm. I overslept, so well, it is at a harbour, so it must be Stockholm. So let me go downstairs to the exit and see what's going on. I've lost all of my family. I'm only with my brother here. Everyone else is gone, so I don't know what's going on, mate. It's all mad, mate. It's all mad. Are we here? Yeah. Why is it not opening? Yes, so I found the whole family there. I'm getting off the boat. Time to check out Stockholm, yeah? So I'm here now in Stockholm Central Station, just about to get out.
A bit more this way.
Check this out. Oh, there's more of them. Oh, they're making sound effects, you know. They told them to move or something. These soldiers are everywhere. Everywhere I walk, like you just see them walking around. Another one. Just crossing the road. It's nice and clear here, not like London. If I was crossing the road in London, I have to be running, mate. I have to be running. And it's so peaceful here, I can't explain. Like the breeze is just coming through, there's no noise. It's just the wind coming at my face, like the wind just flying, deflecting off my forehead, everything. It feels nice. Everyone's just having a good time, relaxing, no stress. Anyways, I'm heading back into this boat now. I'm gonna head back to Finland. Yeah, I had a great day in Stockholm. I would love to have stayed for a much longer time. I'll definitely come back sometime soon. Maybe stay much longer, maybe a week or two. But yeah, it was a great experience. Mitä kuuluu?
Hyvä kuuluu, yeah!
Let's go inside. Back in. You ready? You used to call me on my cell phone. And now when you need me, call me on my cell phone. And now when you need my love, 'cause I know when that happens, that can only mean one thing. I know when that happens, that can only mean one thing. 'Cause ever since I met the city, you got exactly what you asked for. Running out of pages on your passport. Having with some girls I've never seen before. Ever since I left the city, you. Yeah. Finish.
Ja kiitokset laulu Koppolle. Se oli Janet Nasila.